Grab your seasonings, garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper, and a stick of butter. But in this video, I use savory seasoning from Mountain Rose Herbs. Potatoes already been baked. I carved out the middle. I smashed the potatoes with a potato smasher. When you're done doing all that, you put the stuffing back inside of the potato. And then you move it to the oven right now. I'm moving it to my new wave rack. It's already preset. I just turn it on for 20 minutes. Your oven, I say probably the highest 480. And you might have to eyeball yours, maybe 30 minutes with the oven. Now when it's done, you can sprinkle potatoes, not potatoes, but cheese on top. Yeah, and sour cream and broccoli and bacon. Bye.
Hamburger. Now I will make a video on how I put it together. But in the meanwhile, I'm gonna put this inside my new wave. Okay, so I start out here. Put the top on. Try to use one hand. And try to turn it on. And we'll be back. Okay, now my bread is done. Now let's shoot over here and do the egg. Pan's still hot. Here's my eggs. Do I need more grease? I would say yes. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna try and use one hand. That's that. Y'all saw how I use one hand. And the salt. Some kale chips. Homemade kale chips. Sorry guys, I'm moving out everywhere. Trying to use one hand, y'all. I'm gonna add my sauerkraut. Sorry about this sniffing, y'all. I think I'm coming down with something.
You made it to the end. I hope you learned some healthy ideas. Chickpea burger. Yeah, it sounds weird, but it's good, guys. If you reinvented this burger, comment below. Guys, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.